One, two, three. You never saw me work like it used to before. But I can't sweep you off of your feet. Look at my still remember the taste of my blood. With your eyes still smiling from the cheeks. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time now. When it's over, so they say it'll rain someday. And I know, shining down like a river. Oh yeah, 'cause I know have you ever seen me? 'Cause I know have you ever seen me? Coming down slowly. It's the day before. Sun is cold, the rain is hard. I know, and I wait for my time. Said forever on, through the circle fast and slow. I know you can't stop. I wonder, oh yeah, 'cause I know have you ever seen me? 'Cause I know have you ever seen me? Coming down slowly, baby. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to follow more of our journey of music, travel, love, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on all the social and streaming platforms, Spotify, Instagram, and all of the above. Thanks, you guys. You know things that I'm so confused. Feel that I'm wild and I'm free. They wonder how I can promise you now. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching our video. Thank you so much for being part of our video. And make sure to follow all of our social platforms. And follow more of our music. Make sure you hit subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Spotify, Facebook, and all the other socials. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. One, two, three. I heard you sang a good song. I heard she had style. And so I came to see her. Listen for a while. And there she was, this young girl, a stranger to my eyes. Strumming my pain, singing my life away. Killing me softly with her song, killing me softly with her song, telling my whole life with her words, killing me softly with her song. I felt so lost.
Living with opioid addiction can be a struggle. Supplicate with Counseling is for adults with moderate to severe opioid addiction who have started treatment with a dose of oral buprenorphine or are being treated with buprenorphine.
So you want to stream vertically to TikTok using OBS. Well, Atom have two plugins. One is Atom Vertical and the other is Atom Multistream. And it totally depends on how you want to set up your OBS. So I'm going to show you how to do both. They're both slightly different. I have a video on Atom Multistream, which I am going to go into in this video, but I'm going to show you the vertical canvas as we're just focusing on TikTok. But if you want to check out the horizontal canvas, I have a video and it's linked above there somewhere. So we're focused on streaming vertically to TikTok or any other vertical platform. I will leave a link to where you can download the files below in the description, but atom.tv is where you want to go, and products, and you can see on the drop down menu we have Atom Vertical and we have Atom Multistream. So I'm going to show you the vertical plugin first, which is using the OBS camera, the virtual camera, and you'd use that to send a virtual camera signal into TikTok Live Studio. So you've got to have both open. So we'll download the vertical plugin, download vertical for free. Once that's on your computer, open up OBS, go to Docs, and you should have vertical in the drop down menu. Click vertical. It's now appeared for me on the right hand side of my main canvas. You can move this, but a lot of people typically like to have it there. I like to have it there. You probably like to have it there. This is just the canvas. You need the scenes and the sources. So go back to the docs and go to vertical sources and vertical scenes. And now you can see that they have appeared along the bottom. And now you need to build your canvas. Obviously, I don't have anything on this stream because I'm not streaming right now, but here's something I prepared earlier. So we're going to have an image of some DJ equipment and a second video of me where you can see how my room really does look. That's a C922. That's my first streaming camera. This is my hypothetical stream. So this is the horizontal 1920 1080. We need to get this in a vertical format. So we're going to add in our vertical scene. So we'll do main. And we're going to add in some sources. So the source is video capture device, video capture. Look, oh, how many versions of me can you get? Look at this. There's 3 of me now. How lucky are you? You're so lucky. Look at this. So if you want to get this centered in your vertical canvas, so say you got it all the way up here and you're trying to get it centrally, firstly, you did a really bad job. But secondly, right click and go to transform and center horizontally. And then you could also do transform center vertically. But obviously we need it a bit further up than that because we're going to put this epic DJ equipment underneath. So we're going to go to image and it's image 2. DJ equipment is transforming and centering horizontally. Cameras on the top. Look at that epic canvas. Are you jealous? I would hope so. That's the main scene. We also want to have a start screen. And we can use the start screen that is here on my original Twitch stream. So we can get that by doing a vertical scene, start screen. And we're going to add in because this is a video, so media source and start screen. Center it vertically. And there you go. Now you can position that a bit more differently if you'd like to, but there you go. There's the start screen now. I'm going to put this to the top of my scenes using the up arrow because I like things to be in order. And then something really, really useful, highly recommend, right click, go to linked scenes and click stream start in that instance. And main, right click, linked scenes, DJ scene, which is what that one is. And now if you press over on the left, DJ scene, stream start, they will switch back and forth when you click on OBS on the main canvas, which is really useful if you want to switch scenes and only use one canvas to do so. So now we need to send this into TikTok Live Studio, and you need to have over 1,000 followers to be able to stream live on TikTok, or depending on when you watch this video and what happens in the US, be outside of the US again. We have this OBS here, which is one I made earlier. If you want to add any sources in, you just do add source and you can do camera. And then you have the option down here to do OBS virtual camera. Select your settings and add that as a source. So I've already done one here. All I need to do is activate the OBS virtual camera, which is this. It now selects OBS virtual camera. And if you come back into TikTok, you have your OBS virtual camera inside of TikTok. Then you hit go live and you need to enter in your live details, your stream title, and you go live using TikTok Live Studio. Now, the downside of doing it this way is that when you open up OBS, you're going to have to enable your vertical virtual camera every time on OBS when you open it up. And you're going to have to open up TikTok Live Studio, make sure that's all connected, and enter your stream details, your title and everything, and hit go live in TikTok Live Studio as well. And also you're going to have to make sure that you have your audio sources set up. So this device is not connected or available because it's not turned on, but set your audio to TikTok through here, through the audio sources, and then hit go live. So there's a few buttons and programs that need to be opened up in order to use this vertical canvas. But once you've opened them all up, it's really helpful having the linked scenes that you can go back and forth between the two of them. But you are going to have to enter in your stream title every time and hit go live. So that's the downside. And you need to have TikTok Live Studio open at the same time. All right, so if you're getting something out of this, then please hit the like button, drop me a comment, and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos from me. Join the channel as well to support if you'd like to get access to exclusive content. It's just other content and discount codes and free things that are extra. Okay, so the other way is using Atom multi-stream. Now, it's a bit more tricky. TikTok don't like you doing it this way because they want you to be a slave to TikTok Live Studio, but I'm going to show you anyway, and you can pick which way you would like to do it. So Atom multi-stream, you come over to the same website, link below in the description, click on multi-stream, and you're going to download Atom multi-stream plugin. Once that's downloaded, back into OBS, and this time you go to Docs and you go to Atom Multistream. I already have Atom Multistream down here. I have the built-in stream, which is activated by Start Streaming, and I have my secondary main canvas stream key, which is Becky Safe IRL. I have two Twitch channels because one is part of the DJ program and the other one is my IRL channel. Follow them below. Love to see you there. So those two are there. If you want to add in a vertical canvas, click on the cog and come to vertical canvas, add output, and now you're going to go for TikTok. And it says TikTok output, TikTok server, TikTok stream key. And after much searching, I can't seem to find a TikTok stream key. So there is a GitHub file that you can download that you can use to generate a TikTok stream key. So I'll leave that below in the description as well. So it's this one here. It's Streamlabs TikTok stream key generator. You don't need to use Streamlabs in order to use it. It's compatible with OBS Studio as well. It says that down here. Scroll down, go to the latest release version, which is here. Download latest release here. So yours won't look like how mine does with TikTok username approved and true. What you need to do is connect your TikTok account via Streamlabs. So you're going to have to download Streamlabs in order to link this stream key generator to your TikTok account, but you don't need to use Streamlabs in order to stream. Once you have downloaded Streamlabs and connected your TikTok account, it will then show your TikTok username in this window. And now you can load token. It will load a token for you, and in order to get the stream server and the stream key, you need to hit go live. Stream started successfully. Because you don't have Streamlabs open, you don't have a stream to send, but you now do have a server and a stream key. So you're going to copy your server now into Atom multi-stream, so vertical canvas. We've looked at doing Atom multi-stream with a horizontal canvas, but now if we click on the vertical canvas and add output, we're going to go to TikTok output, TikTok server, paste the server in there, go back in, get your stream key, copy that. and enter that into stream key and create output. Press OK, and this vertical canvas is now linked to Atom's vertical canvas. So you're going to need to have the Atom vertical canvas and Atom multi-stream in order to trigger the vertical canvas when you go live. Just be aware that TikTok will prefer you to use their TikTok Live Studio, but this is a workaround using the GitHub stream key generator, whereby you can bypass Streamlabs and TikTok Live Studio and stream using Atom multi-stream with the stream key and the vertical canvas. And then all you have to do is hit start streaming on your secondary main canvas, or however many multiple main canvases you have, and then hit start streaming on your vertical canvas. That way you don't need to open up TikTok Live Studio, and you don't even need to stream using Streamlabs. You can use OBS. Also, one thing to note, once you've finished your streams and you've hit stop streaming in all of these, including the TikTok output, close everything immediately, because it's a bit buggy with TikTok not ending the live stream. Or if there's another way that you find out, please let me know in the comments what works for you. This is quite a bit of a workaround, but it does work. We have tried it out, and it means that you can now stream using Atom multi-stream and the vertical canvas, all with a few clicks of a button, and you don't need to open up any other program. Everything that I've mentioned in this video is linked below in the description, as well as links to my streams and also my website and my courses. If you'd like to learn from me and you enjoy my teaching style, please check out my
Hey guys, it's Tech Granny here. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream on Twitter/X with OBS Studio or Streamlabs. Rules are going to be pretty much exactly the same, but you guys didn't know a lot of streamers are actually starting to stream on X, especially like Nick Merckx, Tim the Tatman.
Living with opioid addiction can be a struggle. Supplicate with Counseling is for adults with moderate to severe opioid.
Hey, good morning, everybody. This is the professor with Day Trading for Success. We're getting closer and closer to starting to stream, getting all of our technical stuff worked out. Anyway, we should have a great day of trading here, a morning of trading, where we're going to go over and continue to get everybody set up to go. So stay tuned. I'll be right back.
Welcome to Day Trading for Success, where the professor, a former math teacher turned full-time trader and coder, guides beginners on how to trade for a living using proven strategies, breakthrough indicators, and lessons from essential trading books. The professor isn't a licensed financial advisor. Always consult a pro before diving into any strategies or demos you see here.
Is some static? Eesh, I'm not sure what to do about that. Moved everything that I could out of the way. So hopefully that doesn't keep going. All right. No static. All right, maybe it's gone now. 600 people in here. And we are looking good. We're looking good. Let's get up to 1,000 people in here. Yes, yesterday we were looking at this AJ trade I was showing you right here. We had our take profit 2 was, I don't know, much further down. And if the take profit 2 got hit, one of the chatter's girlfriend was going to show us her panties, I believe, something like that. It didn't happen, but today maybe someone will, all right? Let's get this looking a little bit better. Come on, let's get it perfect. There we go. Shout out to the patties. Now. There we go. Okay. Radu, my relationship status is none of your business, and it's definitely none of the business of the women that I talk to. Hey, now. What is going on? The free trade canceled. It didn't open. It canceled. The CAD JPY canceled. We're looking for some trades today. Just taking a look at some of the charts, trying to decide what I want to do. Strong level of support at the bottom right there. Let's take this off of my chart. Let's go for 12 straight, baby. What are we doing? Good morning, everybody. I don't know if there's another free trade. There's another free trade. You got to wait to see. That's how we go. Shout out to Sean Carter. Shout out to Sensei. We're going to be looking at the charts this morning. Got about 750 people in here. Won't be doing any trades until free trades. Hey, maybe there's another free trade in there. I don't know. Why don't you look at the room? Don't talk to me. I got freaking 10 rooms I'm trying to monitor and I'm trying to trade. So, got a lot going on this morning. Obviously, I'm going to break down my trading strategy this morning. But we do have some good news. You know, I came up with the free trade copier. See this? Version 1.08. I don't know what you mean to fix my mic. The mic is right here. Hello. Restart it. Maybe I'll turn it on and off for you. All right, I turned it on, I turned it off. How does it sound now? All right, you know, maybe try and just refresh the stream or something, all right? Yes, loud and clear, that's good. It's the mic that's buzzing. I don't know what to, there's a bit of static. I don't know what to tell you here. Everything's kind of fine on my end. Maybe I'll turn my speakers off. There, turn the speakers off. Let me know if that helps at all right? Let me know what's going on. Okay, so the free trade copier is here. Yesterday's trade hit break even. No, it won first. But yeah, it was too bad it hit break even afterwards, but it did win first. I'm not sure about the free signals. Look in the free room, brother. I don't know what to tell you. Here, okay, I'll do it for you. You can't look in the, for some reason you're in the free room, you can't look in the free room. What do we have? We had a CAD JPY, we canceled it, and we had an AUD CAD, and that is not canceled. So why do you need me to tell you that? Why do I gotta spoon feed you this stuff? It's very clear. This one's canceled, the other one's not canceled. If it doesn't say canceled, it's not canceled. It's that simple, baby. It's that simple. Much love to you, though. And what are we doing right now? So what the hell was I talking about? All right, so if we go into the free room right now and we click on the message at the top, look. The free copier download is here. If you want the free copier, it's here. You could download it. What am I looking at right there? Close that, close that. There's my robot, close that. Live streaming. Woo, lots of people in here now. Okay, we're getting moving. Let's get up to 1,000 people, and then we'll get some trades. Okay, so I was talking about that free copier. Let me pull up the free copier, show you how this works a little bit. So the Discord will be weeks away when I get working on the free robot, or the paid robot, sorry. So we have the TWP copier. You drag this thing onto your chart right here. You have to accept the terms of service if you want to use it. And then, quite simple, right now the settings are default settings. So what it's going to do is partial close at TP1. And then it's going to set the break even to break even as soon as it hits TP1, and then it's going to do another 50% for TP2. Really simple. That is your VIP settings. For the free settings, you're probably not going to want to use a partial close. You'll just want to do something like this. Just kind of set the lots in here, and then set this to 0, okay? I'll provide more settings for this and more information on this, but that is the free copier. It is out. It will copy trades from the free trading room. It will also copy trades from the VIP trading room. You can see right here, you select the channel name, you could select free, you could select Arabic if you're in there, gold if you're in there, VIP if you're in there. If you're in VIP and gold, you could just open 2 charts and put one on each. Very, very simple. If you're doing that, though, make sure you change the magic number of each, all right? That's it. That's simple. Yes, this needs to be on PC if you're using the copier. Very, very, very nice. All right. What are we looking at today? We've got about 4 minutes for our orb to close. You can see we're looking at our orb, right? Range high, range low. That's what we're looking at. Let's go ahead and talk about range high and range low. It's definitely not losing more than it's winning. We just had our signals reviewed by a reviewer who had 20% in the last month. So I don't know what you're doing, brother, but pay closer attention. We've been doing awesome in VIP. Now, how are we looking? So this is what we're going to be doing today. We have the candle close, the candle open. We're looking at this 9:30 Eastern candle right now. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down. Chuck Index is doing a review, and that review will be out soon. Okay, look at the candle high, candle low. Our range is now set. That's our range top, our range bottom on the 15-minute time frame. Then we come over to the M5 time frame, and we're looking at these candles, right? Yeah, copier works on Mac and Windows. And then on the M5 time frame, where we're looking for the price to a candle to break and close outside of the range, right? Top of the range, bottom of the range. It's either going to close at the top or it's going to close at the bottom. That's going to determine the direction of our trades. Then obviously we want to be selling from resistance, buying from support, and so then we come to our discretionary entry. Do we want to enter right at the top, the retest, the FVG, the midline, the demand zone? There's tons of options, but we're looking for that pullback. That's what we do. So here you can see I get the pullback to an FVG, I enter my trade. I have my stop loss down here, I've got my take profit and break even here, and then take profit too. We let it ride. That's what we do on stream. We have 11 straight wins using this strategy on stream. Yes, 11 straight wins. Today we're going for 12. What's going on, King's Bait? What's going on, Nicholas? The strategy is ready. I'm ready. This was the trade that we did yesterday on. Yeah. All right, so EU I liked, and then I was looking at, I think it was... Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I would start my Forex trading career if I could go back in time 16 years and start over. Before I won my first trade, before I bought a Porsche, and before I was building a mansion, I wasted so much time and I lost a lot of money doing all the wrong things. But now I know exactly what I did wrong, so I can show you these simple steps and 3 tools required for any beginner to create a viable trading plan. So just smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's make some money. Trading Forex doesn't have to be complicated. Just